Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be buying more VWRL shares because currently we only have one of those shares and we of course want to expand our ETF portfolio. Because of the low risk that we also see in VWR, we want to expand our portfolio, we want to have more of these shares. So in today's video we're going to open our broker account, and with the money that's currently available we're going to be buying more of these shares. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's go. Okay guys, so there we are. We've logged into our broker account at DEGIRO. This is of course the broker that we use. We've talked about them before in previous videos as well. So if you want to start investing, use DEGIRO. It's a very easy to use platform. That's also what you're gonna see in today's video. So this is the first page where you're gonna land. We see the day totals that we have and the overall totals of our account. So in total, we've made a little bit of profit. And this is the free space that we have in our account, which is 246 euros in total. So that's currently available. So we're going to be buying a few shares of VWRL in today's episode. So there's multiple ways of doing it, but the first thing is that you need to find VWRL. It's currently already in our portfolio, so it's 2 clicks away and then we're at the Vanguard FTSE All World Usage ETF. So that's what we're currently in, and it's currently trading around 94 euros in comparison with a week ago around 95. Of course, we're going to be long-term investors, right? So we're not day trading here, we're long-term investors. And that's why it doesn't matter too much what the current price is. If you want to know more about VWRL and why you need to invest in it, in the description we'll link our video around VWRL and why we invest in it down in the comment section. So how do we now actually buy more of this ETF? That's actually quite simple. So here we go to the green button, which means buy. So we press that. So we want to buy more of these shares. In this case, it's currently trading around 94 euros. So let's say 94.25. That's the ask price at this moment. And let's see how many stocks we can buy. Let's see, if we buy 2 stocks, then that would result in 188 euros. That's the maximum amount of shares that we can currently buy. So that's what we entered here. So this is the quantity that we want to buy. This is the price of one of these shares. And this is the total amount of this order. So in total, 188.5. It's currently a little bit lower, but of course, as I mentioned before, right? So we're long-term investors. So it doesn't, a few cents don't matter too much to us. So now we're going to be pressing the blue button, which means place our order. So we're going to be pressing that. And currently down, we can see that this is the summary of the order. So it's the amount, which is 2. The limit, so what's the maximum price that we would pay for it? Well, that's 94.25. The total order amount, and then also the impact on the free space that we currently have in our account. So after this transaction, we should have around 50 euros left for next month or for later this month to buy new shares. And that's all perfect, right? So now we press the blue button, which means confirm. So we're now going to be confirming our order. And that's what we've now done. So we've confirmed our order. If we now go to our portfolio already, we can see that we already bought the 2 shares. So it was too quick for us to see it at the transactions, but let's see if we go to history, the order history, then we would see that indeed this was an order that has been placed today around 11 past 5 o'clock. And then go to the transaction history, we would indeed see that we bought the ETFs that we wanted. So we bought 2 shares of VWRL, which is right there, the Vanguard FTSE All World Usage ETF. So that's perfect. And we also see the price that we eventually paid for it. So that's 94.21, which in total is around 188 euros. So that's now perfectly fine, right? So we've now bought these ETFs. So we've expanded our portfolio actually quite significantly, because previously we only had 1 of these shares and now we already have 3. So it's getting better already, but of course in the long run we do want to have more than 100 or 200 even of these shares. So that's more, there's definitely more to come, but for now we're just starting small, right? So this is a very easy to follow and a very achievable and realistic portfolio. That's what we aim to present to you right here. So that's what you can currently see. So it's 94 euros and 31 currently. And in total on this portfolio of around 400 euros, we've made around 5 euros of profit in approximately 2 months. So that's also a fairly short period, of course, right? So as I mentioned before, we're long-term investors, so we're going to be doing this for multiple years on end. And if you already think that in a few months we already made some profit, of course market's going down, so we might be in a deficit as well for a few months, but at least we know that in the long run we would expect the value of our portfolio to increase and therefore maximizing our profits. So guys, definitely thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Comment down below any topics that you want us to cover in the future videos. Of course, we're going to be sharing multiple different ETFs as well. But for now, we're going to keep it very easy and straightforward, which is mainly S&P 500 and VWRL. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Let's go.